Hey, DJ Angelo here and welcome to lesson number 8 of DJ Pro AI on your smartphone. One measure of a DJ's skill is their ability to scratch, and although nothing feels as authentic as real vinyl, we're still able to have a little turntable style fun even on a smartphone. DJ Pro AI comes with a built-in scratch tool that we can load to any deck by pressing and holding on a deck load button and selecting scratch tools. This is a track featuring various samples and sound effects purely for scratching with on our virtual decks. Just like any other track, we can change its tempo, apply effects and assign cue points, which I've already done on my favourite samples.
Oh yeah! Wait, what?
The next thing you'll want to do is go to Settings, then Mixer, then Crossfader Curve, and set it to Cut mode. This means that the crossfader no longer has a gradual curve for blending and now instead has a super sharp taper, which is ideal for scratching and cutting sounds in and out quickly. And while we're here, let's go to Appearance and turn Show Tape Marker on. So now we have a marker on the virtual record to give us a visual reference when scratching. And since we don't need key lock for this, I'm going to turn that off. There's endless techniques to learn, but all of them are based on one foundational technique called the baby scratch, which is a back and forth movement over a single sound. So with the crossfader open and the deck stopped, cue up a sound that you like and practice this back and forth movement so that every scratch you do starts and ends at the tip of the sound. From here, try scratching with the deck playing, so you can occasionally release the sound and then rewind it back to the start to repeat the process.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Once you're able to control the sound comfortably, it's time to use your other hand to control the crossfader like an on-off switch to cut your scratches in and out in different combinations. And to cut off the rewind part of the sound each time it's released.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Scratching will take a long time to master, but the end goal is to be able to sound expressive and rhythmic over a beat. Instrumental music is the best for practicing scratching over, so on deck A I have the track You're Beautiful Baby, which we know from a previous tutorial. So here's a quick freestyle scratch demo over this beat.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
One last turntable technique I want to show you is basic beat juggling, and although it's best performed on turntables and vinyl, DJ Pro AI has a few workarounds to achieve a similar effect. So I've loaded doubles of the track Bad Girl from the hip hop rap playlist with sync off, and for your reference, the cue points I've assigned are as follows. Cue point 1 and the start cue are assigned to the intro. Cue point 2 is assigned to where the song starts with the vocals "Fly With It."
Fly with it is the MVP.
Cue point 3 is on the first chorus.
Hey, Hey, shawty, you bad to the bone.
and cue point 4 is on the first verse.
Like the way she do that right there. I done seen her.
I also have a 16-beat loop saved around the intro.
Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey, come on now. Where are my ladies at tonight?
Okay, so beat juggling is the technique of manually looping a track by passing the beat back and forth from deck to deck using the crossfader. So as one deck is playing, we would cue the other one and even throw in a few scratches if there's time. In this first easier beat juggle example, I'm going to use the jump cue button to help me get back to the start of the beat each time.
Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey. 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 Where them bad girls at tonight?
And in this more challenging example, more authentic to how it's actually done on turntables, I'm going to manually backspin the records to bring them back to the start of the track each time.
Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey. 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 Come on now. Where are my ladies at tonight?
So there it is. So much fun to be had on a device you can fit in your pocket. See you in the next lesson.